Good morning guys. Luto tayo guys ng kangkong with tofu. Very simple recipe ni Mang Larry. Salamat sa recipe mo Mang Larry. Okay, try natin to guys. Very healthy and very affordable. Okay? See you around. Samahan niyo ako. Lagay tayo ng olive oil. Lagay natin ng bawang. Damihan natin ng bawang guys. Kailangan brown siya. Okay, brown na siya guys. Ilagay natin ang tofu. Next, ilagay natin ang sibuyas guys. Lagyan natin ng tomato. Patay lang yan guys. Patay. Natin ng mga 5 minutes hanggang mag-brown ng tofu. Lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Ihulog na natin yung kangkong. Ito na yung kangkong guys. Ihulog na natin. Ihulog natin. Napaka-simple recipe. Very affordable, napakamura ng kangkong. Yung tofu lang medyo mahal guys. Okay, pakuluan lang natin guys.
A few moments later.
Lagyan natin ng paminta guys. Okay. Ito na guys, nasira yung tripod ko. Okay. Pakulan natin ng 5 minutes. And then, pwede na tayo mag-lunch guys.
A few moments later.
Nilagyan ko ng konting water guys.
A few moments later.
Na guys, luto na siya. Kangkong with tofu. Tikman natin guys. Wow, yummy! Kangkong with tofu. Very affordable guys. Napakamura ng kangkong. Okay guys, magluluto rin tayo ng siomai. Steamed pork dumplings. Pinoy Deli. From Goldilocks pala ito guys. I bought it in Seafood City. Guys, hindi ito I'm not promoting something. Hindi ito sponsored. So, steam natin to guys. Nagpakulo ako ng water. Steam lang natin. Luto na natin lahat guys. I-steam natin guys yan. Siguro mga 5 minutes lang. So, beka naman Goldilocks. Mag-send kayo sa akin ito. Joking. 5 minutes later. Eto na guys. May siomay na tayo. May kangkong din tayo guys. With topo. Bon appetit guys. Ito yung lunch namin. Thanks for watching guys. Topo with kangkong. And siomay. Pork siomay.